Well, it looks like we don't have very much to show for it here. Our camera, it's early yet, it's hot. They're just discovering it. So we only have a few pictures, just one doe so far at the camera. And so that's about all we have to show for it at this point. And there I am getting the camera checked and the chainsaw going. And that's about it at this point. So we're here at the Percy stands, just starting to rain. We're getting a early September thunderstorm here, and I just barely got back to the truck in time. So we'll give it a week to set some more. We'll come back and see what we got. Talk to you later.